Hello everyone and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Lou Gett. Today is August 18th, 2017 and we are on the Innovation Partnership building, the IPB building. This will be our 10th video of the series. We're going to be taking you through the progress today. We're going to begin with our most amazing aerial photography, compliments of our colleague Milton Levin, and this was taken a week prior, August 11th. We look down the patios, the walkways are all complete. These landscaping features, these gardens, how amazing do they look? Each one has a little bit different shape. All the corners are rounded. The one to the right hasn't been completed. It's actually a drain basin also. But we look down, the walks are complete. The sod is so green. The little brown areas that we see here, those are some planting still yet to come. We're flying over the cooling towers. That's the fan spinning in through this area. We're now passing more towards the ACL wing. To the right hand side, that's the bench we watched them construct on the roof. The bluestone has been completed. We'll take a closer look shortly. But as we're swinging around, you'll notice the difference from 1 week. The bank to the right hand side of the walk in this shot is dirt, and you'll see when I walk through there a week from now, it's now green grass. And again, this area will be the last to be finished. We can see there's some dumpsters, there's a truck parked over there. The short story is all the trees are installed in this area, and eventually they'll finish with the ground covers through here. We're now spinning back over to Discovery Lane, to the north parking lot. Complete exterior of the building is 100%. The green roof over the lobby is taken off. What a great view. We're going to shortly take you for a walk down through the main entrance to the lobby. Okay, from Discovery Lane, the main entrance through here, we'll do a quick pan. The grass is taking shape in through here. Not all the grass is installed, but this area is right in through here. The landscape features have been installed. Radius is the theme in here, and a great difference in elevations and shape to really give the character in here. Fairly tall garden over here, a little bit shorter, a little bit lower for drainage, medium height, the rockscapes in through here. But what a perception as you come off Discovery Lane. We're going to proceed from the south parking lot here. What an amazing wide walkway through here. The lighting, different lighting on the side through here. These small towers are for the walk lighting through here. You can see the mounds have been planted in through here. We talked about these landscaping mounds, landscaping features through here. The site lightings installed right in through there. Little different look on the site lighting. And let's take us through the progress through here. I have these landscaping gardens here for a minute. So this one's flat because there's a drain in the middle of it right in through here. That's why this one's flat. These two are mounded up through in this area right over in here. This one and they're here. This one has actually a little bit more. So a little bit of change in elevation is all that's required to give it a distinctive look. And again, another walkway light tower to go right in through there. Some seating rocks on each one as you go through here. We've been watching the construction underneath this lab bar. The ceiling's now completed. We'll take a look. The stonework around these V columns is completed over through here. Very nice. So the V columns are now finished, painted in through here. Just think back, we went back when the footings were in here. We saw the giant steel that was installed in through here under the ceiling. As we leave the door, here's the look into this area again. The first column has a single rockscape around it. The next two columns have a combination through here. What an amazing look. The columns are all painted, finished painted through here now. Drone footage was about 5 days ago, was our only access for to be able to fly at that time. Boots on the ground, view of the courtyard area in through here. Stairways are done. The handrails are left to go on in through here. But we can see the landscaping taking shape in through here. The plantings are in over here. How amazing is this, huh? A quick peek over the ACL wing here, the bluestone. Very nice. The patio. We watched the benches get constructed earlier. The green roofs are taken off, fully settled in. All right. And finally, this last area over here they're just getting started on will be another bluestone scape through this section right in through here. So just to give you a little idea how the construction is going, they have to cut the stones to try to keep the joints somewhat similar. And this is what we call the mud bed underneath. It's a full bed of mortar underneath there for support. And that's how it is. Nice job. And finally, as we're just leaving under the lab bar, the view back to Discovery Lane through here. I think one more pass and we're going to be 100% through here. Okay, we'll enter into the main lobby. I think last time we were in here, the glazing was completed. In this vestibule area in here, the transom panels are up in here. The lobby will be one of the last areas finished here, but we can see the ceilings are completed. A nice panel, very similar to what's underneath the lab bar over through there. Nice solid panel. The linear diffusers where the air comes down and some lights up in the trough, up and through there. Very nice. So the terrazzo floor has been completed since the last time we were here. It's all covered. We put temporary protection on it pretty quick. We'll get a chance to see it right over here. As we leave the lobby, we're going by the team rooms here. We're seeing the cabinets go in through right through here. All right, coming out of the lobby, the interactive lounge in through here. This will be the seminar room over through here. So a great time to talk about displays. There's going to be a display here to the east that's going to house 6 examples over here. The individual will be able to toggle from the switch over to the right. That's on the east. And then to the west will be another display over here with 9 options over here. And these displays are to house the industry partners. Be able to find the partner that you're looking for, and what will come up is information, the type of research that's going on, the relationship they have with the university. This will be a great display of information area. Wide open also. Again, the seminar room right in through here. Great opportunity to see the seminar room and its stages in through here. The ceiling grid is up in place. We get a chance to see, these are acoustical panels. So rather than a normal ceiling in here, these wood slats behind the beautiful linear wood is a foam panel that will absorb the sound in this area. So they're starting from the ceiling and working their way down to the walls. It's a great opportunity to come back here and see this room when it's finished. Going around the lobby, we've been here before, much more finished now. The bathrooms, we came in through here. We had a chance to look previously at the tile through here. This is a particular tile that matches the terrazzo just about exactly. To the north, again, the same interactive lounge. This whole space goes right around in through here, and it's open underneath the lab bar through there. What a great space. You know, with a great space, you got to be able to get something to eat. We're looking at the cafe. Last time we went in here, we looked at the cafe. We get a chance to see this is the epoxy floor that's down here. So eventually there'll be a bank of serving devices in through here. The individual will be able to come up through here. We see the back boxes up on top. You'll be able to look at the menu that's up over the top, order what you want to eat, like a grab and go type of a place. And you'll be able to get your lunch right here and head to the beautiful landscaping, sit on a bench and enjoy the day. Continue out of the interactive lounge. Get the great the tech park offices down in through here, yet to be fit out a little bit. And again, always the great view, the plaza deck underneath the lab bar through here. We'll take a quick peek at some of the tenants. I understand the fit outs are going on now. UTC is going to be in this area over here, Eversource over to there. But it's great to be able to see these spaces being fit out for the permanent tenants. To the AMIC wing, the Advanced Manufacturing Innovation Center. And just to let you know, there's some great happenings going on. Big phase here. So ahead of the actual equipment being installed, what's going on now, it's actually called the tool hookup. Before the tool comes down, all the services specific to that tool have to come to that particular location. And that's what's going on here now. So just to get an idea of the magnitude, this is just an early stage of a piece of equipment that's coming down here. Different gases, different waters, different air systems that need to be in place for that particular piece of equipment. We're going to come back here again as we get out of the tool hookup phase to the equipment hookup phase. Very nice. So great happenings in the AMIC lower level here. Left the AMIC. We're on our way to the ACL wing. Mostly mechanicals down in here. Let's take a peek. There's a private room over right here. Get a chance to see the nice acoustical panels, floor to ceiling in through here in a blue. Nice countertop cabinets. L wing, so the advanced characterization lab, and just as described, you know, material characterizations, microscopes, lasers in through this area. We passed by the electrical panels in here. They're just about ready to pull the wires in here. You can see the shielding, the metal shielding surrounded in here for protection, so no electrical currents get out. The finishes, so that's what's going on in the ACL wing, microscope, the finishes in here. We were in here beforehand when we looked at some of the you know, the metal panels in here, the shielding, they call shielding, the different layers of shielding. So these are actually radiant cooling panels in here to be able to cool the space down in here, instead of just having a normal AC unit up into the ceiling. You know, for the amount of heat that generates off of some of this equipment, we have these massive radiant heat panels into the wall, something that you don't see every day here. And this framing in the back, this will eventually get built out to the finishes in here. Pretty amazing. A little different perspective. Boots on the ground coming out the ACL wing here. A look back up at the building, the plaza deck up there, the lab bar over the top, the landscaping, the grass, the staircase that come down. Pretty amazing. Very similar to the front entranceway. There'll be some rocks to sit on, and some of the landscape features. Quick update, third floor, lab bar wing, we've been here. The corridors are finished. East and west areas, waiting for tenants to come in for the fit out areas in here. Shelled space, all the mechanicals ready to go. On the third floor, we'll take a quick peek. The skylight area is complete. The glass is in here for the guardrail down in through here. We just left the seminar area down in through there. And a nice view through here. Discovery Lane. Again, today is August 18th, 2017, and we thank you for your interest in our university project. Remember to subscribe to our UConn UPDC YouTube channel. Once subscribed, under subscriptions, to the right, under the bell, a check next to send me all notifications for this channel with a save. This way, anytime we add a project or update a project, you'll receive an automatic email. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.